When Apple rolled out their Touch ID system, the fingerprint identification system enabling people to unlock their smartphones and tablets, many people thought that it was the latest, most secure feature, more secure than conventional passwords. But now it's been revealed that people can actually recreate your fingerprint and unlock your device simply from a photograph of your hand. Most photos today, of course, high definition, and some security experts have demonstrated how they can take a simple photograph of somebody's hand, for example, if they're just waving at the camera, and then recreate their fingerprint, enabling them to unlock their Apple devices or virtually any device that uses a fingerprint scanner. Yes, experts warn fingerprints are easier to hack than old-fashioned passwords. Yes, a hacker shows that they can steal your fingerprints with only a camera. And in other news, cops allegedly may now force you to unlock your phone if you have Touch ID system. A Virginia Circuit Court said that it was okay for police to literally take a suspect's hand and force it to touch the phone in order to unlock it. Of course, this is a clear violation of the Fourth Amendment, but we're in the New World Order, and the Bill of Rights simply doesn't apply anymore. This is about as Orwellian as the police forcing somebody to take the key to their house and put it in their hand, and then forcing it into the door, and then turning it to open up the house. Again, clearly violating the Fourth Amendment. So this is what happens in the New World Order, but as we're living in this double-edged sword society, the more data that is flowing through cyberspace, the more high-tech gadgets people rely on, the less secure they are, which will ultimately culminate in a complete cyber disaster. But there you have it. Your fingerprint can be easier to hack than a traditional password. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Check out some of the previous videos in the playlists. Check out my book, Big Brother, The Orwellian Nightmare Come True, in paperback on Amazon.com or download it onto any e-reading device. And stay tuned. There's more videos coming soon.